Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now scroll down, select Notifications and Control Center, then tap on App Notifications and select one of your apps, like Google Play Store. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from Google Play Store are now disabled. You can switch them back on by clicking at the same switcher. You can also just tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!